and welcome to the 4th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah, and I'm going to be your host. For those of you who've been watching each week, we appreciate you joining us again today. We're going to be talking about technology and new rugged devices from Panasonic. We've just all recently kind of found out this year that this good old trusty CF31 is going to be going away. What do you do next? Well, we're going to tell you. Out with the old, in with the new. The first device we're going to talk about today that you can look at when you're adding a new Panasonic device to your environment is the Toughbook 55. This is the newest in the rugged line that is available. It is fully modular and configurable, so you can upgrade your memory, your storage, different keyboards, and it has 3 different expandable ports so you can decide how you want your device to arrive in your environment. The other great thing is by adding the second battery, you can get up to 40 hours of battery life. You still have your touch screen and your backlit keyboard, and it's still rugged, holding that IP53 rating. But it is the thinnest and lightest in its category. The next devices we're going to talk about today are the 2-in-1 options that Panasonic has available. These devices are fully rugged and can be used as a tablet or with a keyboard. It's great for environments like this in the shop where there's a lot of dust and varying temperatures, but very easy to pop out and take with you. Drop it in a keyboard, do your reporting, and be on your way. So we can use these in the vehicles, in a desk situation, or out in a shop. Now, this device also has a mini-me. That's the CF20. Built just like this device, 2-in-1, tablet or keyboard laptop solution, but just a little bit smaller. It's great for motor solutions or in the back of an ambulance where you don't need quite such a large screen. When you're evaluating the new devices that Panasonic has to offer, whether you're using them in a traditional way in a vehicle or at your desk or in a shop, or in something a little bit more unusual, out in the field or in a harsh environment, we've got you covered. Between the 14-inch 55, the 12-inch 33, and the 10-inch 20, we have several options for laptops and tablets that will work for what you need. All the devices we talked about today are Band 14 compliant, and all of them are available for pricing now. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Fridays at Frontline. We look forward to seeing you next week. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and if you comment below, we'll be sure to send out your swag.